Online shopping. Online shopping is getting more popular due to its convenience and the variety of choices. Watch the video and see how different people buy essential things on the internet. Dialogue 1. Hello, Taylor. Oh, hi, Veronica. What are you doing? Nothing, just enjoying the fresh air. Great. Well, I have a favor to ask you. What is it? I'm going to a wedding this weekend, and I'm thinking of buying this dress online. Really? Yes, so I need your opinion because you shop online a lot and you're a fashion expert. Thank you for the compliment. Show me the dress then? Here, it's on Amazon. Oh, it's very cheap. That's why I chose it. You can never get a dress like this at a store with such little money. But it seems like it doesn't fit your body type. Well, I thought that the details are beautiful. You have a small and nice waist. Meanwhile, this dress doesn't even have a waistline. But I can always use a belt to fix that. No, a belt doesn't go well with a dress like this. I like it, but it's not the perfect one for you. What a pity. I thought I would look nice in it. A lot of people think that when they buy something online, and then they get disappointed. That's the disadvantage. You can't try it on first. Right, but online shopping is more convenient. When you go into the stores, if one shop doesn't have what you need, then you'll have to go to another. You're right, but let's find another one. Scroll down. What about this one? It can fit you well, but check the review first. Okay. The comments aren't so positive. They say that delivery is slow and the fabric is too thin. Understandable. The price is way too low. Does this red one look pretty to you? No, it's too sparkly. It's going to make you look ridiculous. Well, check this blue one. Seems good. It's quite simple but formal enough for a wedding. People love this one too, although it's a little more expensive. Quality clothes online are usually expensive. But it's okay, I can afford it. Thank you for your help, Taylor. You're welcome. Have fun at the wedding. Dialogue 2. Mark, have you heard the news?
I haven't had time. Why?
They said that all stores will be closed from Tuesday.
That's the day after tomorrow, right?
Yes. Oh boy, I bet it's because of the pandemic.
Indeed, that's the only reason. What do we do now? We don't have that much food left in the fridge.
The worst thing is that we don't know when they will open again. Our dorm should have had a canteen.
Well, the pandemic was unexpected after all.
But I heard that we can buy groceries online.
Are you serious?
Of course. Since the pandemic, a lot of people have opened grocery stores online. I don't know. The idea of buying meat or vegetables on the internet seems weird to me.
But that's the only way. Mark is right. We don't have another choice. Besides, usually we still buy frozen meat and packaged vegetables at the supermarket.
Yes, there's not much difference. Fine, but we have to find a reliable shop. True, that's the most difficult part.
Also known as the #1 drawback of online shopping. Does anyone have experience?
Brittany might. She's the one who suggested the idea. Actually, no, I just saw some people talk about it on Twitter. Can you call your mom or dad to ask?
Right, they probably know.
In my home country, there are very few cases. The shops are still running. Let me call. Arizona might be in lockdown.
Well, then you do it.
It's true. My mom said that the shops there have been closed for almost a week.
Oh, that's really bad.
It is, but the fridge at my home was quite full.
Of course it is.
However, my mom prepared for everything. She already had some shops that we can buy from.
That's great.
Well, she told me that she's going to send them to me later.
So, problem solved.
Dialogue 3. Mom, I want to buy a pair of shoes.
Shoes? Why so sudden?
Well, I'm about to go back to school, and my Converse are too old already.
Oh, yes, they are.
But I want to try and buy them online.
Really? I'm not so sure about that.
Why? It's more convenient, and there are a lot more options.
What if you buy a pair and they don't fit? That would be a waste of money.
Then we can just return it back to the shop.
How do you know that they will let you do that?
I'll just ask them through messages.
All right, that's fine enough.
Great, can you help me look?
Sure.
So I've been liking this pair of boots for a while.
So long. They nearly reach your knees.
I know, but it looks really cool. Don't you think so?
Yes, but they're super inconvenient. They might take you 5 minutes to put them on.
Wait, 5 minutes?
Yes, putting your feet into them properly can already be a struggle. Plus, I don't think it's appropriate for school.
Then what do you think is appropriate?
Sneakers, perhaps?
I've always worn them. I need a change.
Well, you can find a pair of simpler boots.
Ankle boots?
Yes, with a zipper so that it's easy to put on.
Then have a look at this white pair.
So expensive. That's over $90.
But they're German. If the quality is good, I can wear them for a long time.
There are quality boots at a cheaper price, you know.
Let me look a little more. How about this?
$50? Not much cheaper, but acceptable.
People's reviews say that it's worth the money.
Okay, but ask the shop if you can return it if it doesn't fit.
We can. After that, they will deliver a similar pair in different sizes.
Good, then order it.
Finished.
When will they be delivered?
Well, maybe in 5 days or sooner, I hope.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.